I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to feed. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss, see. I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Took until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
Alright everyone, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed that real quick unboxing, real quick packaging showcase, and real quick feature rundown for the Sony WF-C500 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Now let's get into my first impressions with the earbuds. Let's try not to waste any time. I'm going to try and get this whole video done in under 10 minutes. So let's go. And as y'all can see, I already have the charging case charging up via the USB Type-C charging port. And then I'm going to charge up the earbuds. But in this portion of the video, I'm just going to try them on, give you guys and gals my overall first impressions of the fit and the feel, and let y'all know what I think overall, okay, in terms of first impressions. Then we'll wrap the video up. Now, starting off here, I gotta tell y'all, in terms of first impressions with the earbuds, I really do like the charging case, especially with the fact that the charging case is see-through, so you can see when the buds are charging, just like you can see when the case is charging there. So I really do like that. Now, a few negatives right off the jump. I don't like the fact that these don't include wireless charging. So the only way you're going to charge up the charging case is via the USB Type-C charging port on the back, especially for the price that these are going for, between about $50 and $100 brand new. Really would have wanted to have seen wireless charging built in, so that's a negative right off the jump. Okay? Now, talking about the first impressions with the earbuds, I have to say I really, really like the way these look. Now, one thing that I gotta commend Sony for is the fact that they have a physical clicky button. So I don't have to fight with touch controls. I don't have to mess with any of that. So we have our outside microphones right here. We have a little bit of company branding right along the side here. And then flipping it to the inside, whoop, Bumpy Cam Production, sorry y'all. We have our charging pins, and then as y'all can see, it's labeled. So y'all can see this is the right earbud, and then that's what the earbud itself looks like. And it looks like there is no mesh grills in there, so it's nice and solid. Alright, so y'all can see I'm taking a deep look down into the bud. There's no plastic mesh grills. It goes all the way in. Alright, I'm going to double check that on the other one. But I have to say, I like this overall look. And I'm really happy to see a physical clicky button on here. Let me try this on now. So this is the right earbud. Let me drop this in. Y'all can see it's labeled right there. Let me drop this one in. Okay. And just so everyone knows, it comes with 3 different size earbud tips. So it comes with the medium size earbud tips on the earbuds by default, and then it gives you the small and the largest inside of the packaging here. So that's what we have right here, the larges and the smalls, and it comes with the mediums on by default. Okay, now let me give y'all another close-up of the left earbud, and let me see if I see the same lacking plastic grill in here, but y'all can see again, really happy to see the physical clicky button here. Really good stuff there. And then holding it up here, yes, there's no plastic or mesh grills in here, so it's all aluminum. It gives you one straight down in. Y'all can't really see it on the camera, but take my word for it. And then you can see on inside here, same as the right earbud, so our charging pins, and then it's labeled left. And I like how they offset the colors here. So left is gray and right is red. So let me drop this in here and give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. So let's drop this in. Okay, that went right in. Now, first impressions of the fit. It seems pretty solid. Now, I can barely hear myself talk. So the physical sound cancellation might be really good. I can't barely hear myself talk at all. Let's do a quick shake test. All right, yes, these buds are not moving. It's the okay, yeah, the left one is not moving at all, and neither is the right. So we got a nice solid fit here. Okay, now let me take a picture of the profiles here so y'all can see how this looks, and then we'll wrap the video up here. Okay, so we got the iPhone XS on deck today, and let's fire up the cameras and let's see. Okay, yeah, very nice, very nice. You can definitely tell I have earbuds in, but it's not too bad. So we got front profile, boom. Then let's do the side profile. Boom. And let's do the other side. Boom. Alright, let me take a look. Alright, so it's decent. It's not bad. It's decent. Alright, so let me show y'all real quick. So here's the front. Y'all can see, you can definitely tell I have earbuds in. Okay? You can definitely tell. So it's definitely going to be noticeable, but it's not bad. Okay? Alright. And then here's one side. Give y'all that nice close-up there. Yes, it's not bad. Alright. And then here's the other side. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. So first impressions of the overall fit and feel for the Sony WF-C500. It's actually pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Alright? Now let me take them out. Yeah, and they pop right out of there. Whoop! And we got our first drop test. Because it rolled off my lap. Alright, so not bad. Pop right out of there. And there's the right. Take the left out. And there's the left. Okay? So first impressions, it seems to be really, really good. Now, I really do have high expectations for these earbuds because, like with my last earbud video, I was kind of very disappointed with the Galaxy Buds series. I really love my Galaxy Buds Plus, so I had really high expectations for the Buds 2 and the Buds Pro. And it really, if I'm being honest, it let me down. So those are gone. All I have now is my Buds Plus and my Buds Live. And we brought the Sonys in. So I have really high expectations for the Sonys because I'm going to be using them right alongside my Galaxy Buds Plus. And we're really going to put that 10-hour battery life to the test. And we're really going to put those charge times for the case to the test. So in particular, you're supposed to get 10 hours on the buds, and then the case is supposed to give you one additional charge. So similar to the Galaxy Buds Plus, where you get 11 hours on the buds, and then the case gives you one additional charge for 22 hours altogether. The Sonys are giving you 10 hours on the buds, and then the case will give you one additional charge to give you 20 hours altogether. So we're going to see how that's going to go. All right, because to me, and y'all know I say this often, earbuds should really last you at least 10 hours plus. All right, so we're going to put them to the test. We're going to come out with all the coverage, and everything is going to culminate with my full review, as we always do. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm not really going to put a time frame on it. I'm just going to release the videos when the videos need to be released. Now, this whole video was recorded with the rear-facing primary 12-megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e, okay, with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. That's where y'all feedback goes. And as always, keep that feedback respectful, please. As always, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, because not only can you get these for about $50 to $100 depending on the condition, but this is also available via the Amazon Prime payment program. So it's 3 payments of $22.60 a month. And then it's all paid off. And that first payment includes your first payment of $22.60 plus the taxes, which for me was like $6. So my first payment was like $27 and change. Again, check out that screenshot. I'll have it thrown up somewhere in the video because y'all know I'm all about keeping it straight 100 around here. But at that price, especially available on the Amazon Prime payment program for select customers, this might be a really good deal. But even still, anywhere between 50 to 100 bucks, this also might be a really good deal. But I'm going to put it to the test and let y'all know in the full review if these are worth picking up. But if this video is enough to pique your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick these bad boys up at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. And that video description will contain affiliated links, meaning that when y'all use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel so I can keep producing and bringing you guys and gals content. And that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So that's a win-win for everyone in my opinion. Okay? So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Man, let me wrap this up because it's hot in here and I want to turn this fan on, but I needed the absolute best microphone performance, so we can't turn the fan on. But let me wrap this up. I hope everyone is staying safe out there. I hope everyone is having a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.